What's the feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Are you confident of winning the party president?
Very confident, and I'm happy that finally we're having our extraordinary Congress.
Are you satisfied with all the preparations?
I'm satisfied.
Are you happy?
Under difficult circumstances, I think we've tried.
Are you happy with the voters' roll?
I'm happy.
Some of your colleagues have accused the interim party secretary general of abusing party funds. What's your response?
I will not respond to that because you know that we've got a standing committee. Whatever we do it at our standing committee meetings.
What should Zimbabweans expect if you retain the party presidency?
We want a better life for all. We want to make sure that we move this country forward. That is going to be our preoccupation. So this is why we want this Congress to be out of our shoulders so that we start working for the good of everybody else.
Are you going to reunite with Chamisa?
We are MDCT. Let's cross the bridge when we get there. Right now our major focus is the extraordinary Congress. We want it to be as fair as possible, to be as credible as possible. We want to make sure that as the opposition we start working, like I said, for the good of everybody else. We want Zimbabweans to have a better life. We want political stability in this country. So this is what we want to be working.
But are you not going to deal with your TG? You said everything is discussed the standing committee, but the TG has not been discussing things as standing committee.
Our focus today is the extraordinary Congress. So let's focus on our extraordinary Congress and nothing else.
But the people